Hello, welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is mutation, a change in the DNA sequence. By the end of this video, you'll know what causes mutations, why most have no effect, and how a rare beneficial mutation can drive evolution. A mutation is a change in the sequence of bases in DNA. Mutations happen all the time, sometimes by random copying errors, sometimes by exposure to mutagens like UV radiation or chemicals. Most mutations have no effect. Some are harmful. A rare few are beneficial, and these drive evolution. 3 things. 1. Mutations happen at random. 2. Most occur in non-coding DNA or are silent, having no effect on the phenotype. 3. Beneficial mutations give individuals a survival advantage. They reproduce more, pass on the mutation, and over many generations the population evolves. Natural selection in action. Common slip. Mutations aren't directed towards what an organism needs. They're random. The environment then selects which random mutations are beneficial, and mutations aren't always bad. Without them, no genetic variation, no evolution. Quick example. A random mutation in a bacterium gives it resistance to an antibiotic. When that antibiotic is then used widely, non-resistant bacteria die, and the resistant one survives, reproduces rapidly by binary fission, and within hours the population is dominated by resistant bacteria. Natural selection happens in real time. Right. If any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.